Hey guys, this is how to download the Clownfish voice changer. So first thing you need to do is just open up your browser and then in the URL bar just type Clownfish voice changer, then hit enter, and then just choose the first one you see, which is Clownfish for Skype. It was originally made for Skype, but now you can just download it and start using it. Now you're going to be directed to this home page, and in the nav bar, the navigation bar, just click on download. You might get an ad, just skip that, and then you're gonna need to choose which version your computer is. So like the version of the Clownfish voice changer depends on the version of your operating system, and you can also choose it from the web store as an extension for Chrome. So for me, I'm using a MacBook for now, so I'll just choose the macOS version. And as soon as I do that, it just downloads it, and I can just go ahead and unzip the file, start using it, and changing my voice. So that's about it. Hope that video is helpful.